Hello everybody and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'll be showing you how to set up WhatsApp Web. So if you don't know what WhatsApp is, it's basically a messaging app that you can download on your phone. And today I'm going to show you how you can send messages through WhatsApp from your computer. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser of choice and go to web.whatsapp.com. And then I'm going to show you a screen recording on my phone and show you what to do from there. So hopefully you can see my phone screen now. And so what you're going to do is you're going to go to WhatsApp, click on the three dots in the top right, click WhatsApp Web, and you're going to click on the plus in the top right corner, and then you're going to scan the code. And now you can see on my computer that all the WhatsApp messages are here. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.